if your resume is not getting shortlisted, you're not able to get those interview calls, it's probably because there's something not right in your resume. To top it all, you have this giant monster called the ATS, which is the applicant tracking system, which prevents your resume from reaching the recruiter, right? So in order to be able to beat this giant monster, the ATS, as well as in order to make a resume which matches perfectly with the job description, I have a super cool tool for you. Let's get started. So as you can see here, this is a tool that I highly recommend as a career coach. Now, I've been through a lot of tools personally, and it does not somehow do justice. These tools don't do justice to what a career coach can actually do. But Rezi is one tool which can do way better than what a career coach can do. Right? So tomorrow, if you tell me to review your resume, probably even I would go to Rezi, which I personally use, and check your resume out there. Okay, so without further ado, let me quickly take you through what exactly do we cover in Rezi. Okay, so in Rezi, you can make multiple resumes as well as you can make multiple cover letters. Now, that's not it. We all can make resumes and cover letters, but we want to make resumes that can actually reach the recruiter's hands, which are going to surpass the ATS, right? So Rezi is an AI tool. By that, I mean it uses artificial intelligence. It's artificial intelligence driven, and it looks at your resume and it gives you a score. Okay, so rather than just talking, let me quickly walk you through the entire tool itself. So let's start from the scratch. I will go and select sample library, and I have a list of resumes out here. So let's say my department is marketing. Okay, I will go ahead and choose a resume which looks good for me. So let's say I am in the digital marketing space. Let's say this is a resume I want to make. I'll use this sample. Okay, and step by step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change these things. So this is literally like filling a form with multiple fields and so on. So I'm not going to waste time here, but you get the drill, right? I mean, I would literally change all of this and click on Save Basic Info. Next, I'm going to go to the next part, fill up this, go to Experience, fill this up, and so on. Okay, I'm going to complete all these fields. Now, the best part is over here, you have a tutorial for every section. So if you see Experience as a tutorial giving you guidelines, if you go to Project, you have another tutorial. So for each and every section, you have tutorials. So what you can do is go through the guidelines mentioned in each section tutorial and fill these up. All right, so this is how you complete the whole resume. Come to finish up. Okay, now this is where you can download your resume in a Word format, in a PDF format, and you can even save it to Drive. Now over here, you can see these three options. You can click on adjustments and you can increase the font size and just look at the magic. It's increased throughout your resume. Otherwise, just think of it. When you make your resume on a Word doc, formatting is such a damn pain, right? So with this, it becomes really simple. You can change the line height and so on. Now here, this is the important part. This says that my resume score is 80. So let's explore my score and see where is it that I'm losing my score? Where is it that I can, improve? Here you can see these are the points given to me. There are 48 critical issues. Okay, and step by step, it's telling you what issues my resume has section by section. It's giving me certain best practices. The title of my resume is incorrect. It should be first name, last name, job title, so on. All right. So this is where your resume audit is happening. And typically as a career coach, this is exactly what we do. We go through your entire resume, pick up the mistakes, grammatical mistakes, spelling mistakes. And apart from that, the formatting, if it's proper or not, the content that you've written, is it going well with the job description or not? So this is what typically a career coach does. But with the help of Rezi, all of this is going to be eliminated. Okay. So anyway, let me come back here. Okay. So this is my score. Now let me show you a very, very important part here. Okay. So over here, you have AI keyword targeting. Now, what does this mean? This basically means that tomorrow when you upload your resume, say on a Naukri.com, or you upload it on an IIMjobs.com, or wherever you upload it, these ATS, the applicant tracking systems, are checking your resume. So before you even submit your resume, first check what kind of score will your resume get, if it's, surpassing the ATS or not. So what we do is, let me come to this tab over here. I've just taken a sample job description from one of the job portals. I've taken it for Ola. So this is the role. Okay, so let me copy this. I will go to the job title. Let me go down and paste the job description. Okay, let me copy it first. So this is the job description. I am copying this and then I go to the section and paste it. Now click on save job description. And there you go. You can see what's happening. Okay, you can see here 83, my score has increased to 83. Why do you think that has increased? Is because I uploaded a JD and now it's trying to see whether my resume matches with the job description or not. So now these green ticks are places where my keywords are appropriate. Now these are the keywords that are missing from my resume, but they are there in the job description. So go ahead and tweak your resume and add these keywords as well. All right, so that's the magic tool Rezi. Apart from that, what you can do is you can also share your resume with people. Now let me also go back and show you one more feature here. So when I click on new resume, earlier what I did is I took a sample from earlier what I did is I took it from the sample library, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create new resume. Here you will see that I can also import from LinkedIn. Okay, now I want you to explore this on your own. Your Rezi has a Chrome extension, which when you install the Chrome extension, it helps you to pull out your LinkedIn profile. So I'll tell you, this is the Chrome extension. It's called LinkedIn 2 resume. So when you go to LinkedIn, and you can try and extract your profile details from there. All right. So that's on your resume. Now quickly, let's move to cover letters. Here you can start with a brand new cover letter, or you can click on a sample, choose what industry you are from. Let's say you are from sales. Okay, pick this up. You can click on use this sample and you can get started. All right. Now, apart from that, Rezi also has a best practices section. So just in case before starting the resume, you want to go ahead and look at all the tutorials. You don't want to look at the tutorial section by section, but you want to study all the sections of a resume properly. This is the place where you can study everything properly and start making your resume as well. All right. Now, Rezi is running a Black Friday offer. As you know, Black Friday is a very big deal in the digital marketing space. And I highly recommend that you go ahead and grab the deal. Typically, Rezi is $348 for the year. Okay, that's approximately 26,000 rupees per year. But right now, due to Black Friday, I'm going to give you a special link, which if you use, you're going to get Rezi for lifetime. Please listen, lifetime for $17.8, okay, which is approximately 1,300 or 1,350 rupees. Okay, and it's a lifetime deal. You can use it for years to come. You don't have to pay $348 per year for this. Okay, so the link that I'm going to be sharing with you is my affiliate link. I make a tiny commission for the honest review that I give you. So if you would like to support me, just click on the link below and go ahead and sign up for this particular offer. It's not going to last beyond 2 to 3 days. It's a Black Friday offer, and as you know, Black Friday offer would typically end by, I'll give you the date, it should end by maximum 30th of November, but no deadline has been given. It could probably end even by tomorrow. All right, when I say tomorrow, I mean 27th November. So go ahead and click on the link below and go ahead and grab that special offer, which is $17.8 for lifetime. So I hope you really loved this tutorial video. Quickly click on the link and go ahead and grab the offer. Trust me, this offer is not going to come back again. On various other websites, you'll find this deal for $29, but I found a very sweet deal for you, which is $17.8. So go ahead, quickly grab this particular opportunity, which may never come again.